not only can we change the swim header, we can get the value out of the swim header. So here's an example where we're declaring a variable and we're getting that object off the HTML page and calling that HTML function with no value. And with no value, that's going to return what is in there. So let's put that into our page. This will, when the page opens, get that swim header document object model object and get the HTML out of it. Well, the HTML between the two tags is swim time converter. It's going to store that into my variable named swim header content. So my variable is swim header content. So if I alert that, it should have the original value. Let me concatenate a phrase to it so I know what I'm popping up. And then after I get that value, then I'll keep in the code that is going to change that value. So I'll do my Control-Shift-H and open that page up. And you can see it went in and got the value from my swim header element and alerted the original value of the header is with that value. And then it replaced that value with the broken swim time converter. So this is the example that we started with, replacing the inner HTML of an element, where we got the element and replaced the value. And we can do that with any element that we want to. We could replace the entire body of our HTML page. Well, in order to do that, we need to have an ID on our body tag. So here I've added that ID to the body tag. Now, if we get that body tag, I'm going to close the preview because I don't like that popping up all the time. So if I get the body tag, I can change the entire page. So let me save that. Control-Shift-H to bring it up. And you can see we did have the swimming time converter from our line 17 and 18. But then when line 19 runs, it took everything in the body and changed it just to the string, "You've been hacked." So here we have everything from the body got replaced with just "You've been hacked."